Hey friends, this is Melanie with FairyStampLand.com. I'm here today to share with you the new release of our Club La La Land Crafts monthly subscription. This club comes as a surprise every month and it always has this gold envelope, and I have the full kit here to show you today. You get 2 full stamp sets. So this stamp set here is Happy Camper Marcy. She has the most beautiful hair. Coloring the hair probably was my favorite part of this whole kit. Her hair is just beautiful. I also love the different sentiments. With this stamp set, you get I Love You Some More. And on the other side, you get You Make Me a Happy Camper. So this is how the stamp set comes. You can choose to cut these out if you want to. I chose this time, I just used my positioner tool on the Misty, and I was able to just stamp them one time each to get this. So that is the first stamp set. The second stamp set are our little Happy Trails critters. And with this, oh my goodness, the moose. The moose is precious. And it says, I moose you so much. There's also the teddy bear, or the big bear, and don't feed the bears, and we're gonna have fun with that here in just a little bit. Then you have the little raccoon, and Happy Trails and Making Memories are the other sentiments in that set. And with the full kit, you also get the coordinating dies, and these, I have these just on a magnet sheet right now. That's how I store my dies. We have the little camper, the roasting marshmallows, and then the campfire die. Now, this camper die, I just die cut one just to show you how much fun I'm having with them. The stitching, of course, as always, is stunning, but this little camper was made to have opening windows and door. Who else would have thought of something like that? La La Land has the most creative, most detailed dies on the market. I absolutely love this kit. I've been getting the full kit for probably 3 years at least, and I've never once been disappointed. So we'll see that here just in a second when I show you my samples. This month I also added the La La Land nested frames, small and large set. I'm missing one here, but I actually used the large of the 2 of these in my first sample here. And those nesting dies are available in the store. They're not part of the club. But here is my favorite project of the bunch. I'm in love with the colors. Marcy, of course, like I said, she was so much fun to color. And the yellow and the dark blues, I mean, her hair just pops. I used the I Love You Some More greeting, and I put him on here, little raccoon, because you have to love somebody, right? So Marcy, or the raccoon, loves you some more. On this side, you'll see I have the little campfire, and I die cut it twice. And then look at the little roasted marshmallow. There's a tiny little slit in the die itself that actually allows you to put the marshmallow, see the little slit there? The marshmallow on the actual stick, which I think was genius. It is just, it's so, their dies are so detailed. And if anyone knows my work, they know that I love dies. So that's why this is, always been my first kit that, I'd ever subscribe to. So we are publishing this on August 15th, and this August kit will only be available to get or to sign up for till the 17th. So if you want to make sure you start off with this kit, make sure to sign up by the 17th. And I will have information below to help you do that. My second sample is actually a step card. And this project is actually my free tutorial this month. As a subscriber, you don't only get the exclusive products 6 to 12 months before they're released to the public, but you also get a free tutorial from each of our design team members. So this is my actual tutorial this month, and I had so much fun with this. But the funny thing, I mean, is the don't feed the bears, because this guy is saying, what do you mean don't feed me? So I just thought it was precious. I actually cut the fire here out of white Copic cardstock, and then I colored it with Copics. And all the coloring instructions and colors and everything will be on the blog post today. So for the actual tutorial on how to make this card, though, that will be one of your free tutorials this month if you're part of the club. So everything here is available to sign up for until the 17th. We do have 3 club choices. You can choose to get the stamps only, which are $19.99. That would be these 2 sets here. Or you can get the dies only for $29.99. Or what I've always done is I get the whole kit. It's the best value at $39.99. And remember, these are all exclusive designs for at least 6 to 12 months. And when you do sign up for the $39.99, you are getting the products for over 40% off, because this runs around $70 retail for $39.99. So if you're interested, or if you have any questions, just send me a note, or look in the descriptions below, and you will see how you yourself can become a La La Land Crafts Club member. Take care.